Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. About this integral, we can divide into two integrals. The first one and the second one. So I will go to the first one. About s to the power of 3, we can put about s squared multiplied with s. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to s squared plus 2. About s squared, we got about u minus 2 because we move number 2 go to the left. That's why you got about s squared equal to u minus 2. Later that we do first the derivative in the both sides for this one. So you got about 2s ds equal to du. Because we don't have the number 2 next to s, so we divide both sides with number 2. So this one we change for u. S squared we change for u minus 2. S ds we change for 1 over 2 du. U divided by u squared, you got about 1 over u. And next one is about negative 2 over u squared. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over u, you got about ln of the absolute value of u. The integral of 2 over u squared, you got about positive 2 over u. And we will about c is about constant. About u, we need to change back for this one. This one we don't need to use the absolute value anymore. Next, we go to the second one. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equal to the square root of number 2 tan t ds equals to the square root of number 2 secant t squared dt. So we put this one in here and you got about 2 tan t squared. ds we change for this one. So we put number 2 outside, you got about 4 because we have the power 2 in here. One plus tan t squared, you got about secant of t squared. And this one you got about 4 multiplied with secant of t to the power of 4. Next, the square root of number 2 and number 4 we put outside. secant of t squared, simplify with secant of t squared in here. You got about 1 over of secant of t squared. And this one we can change about cosine t squared. Cosine t squared we can put about cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. And we put number 2 outside, you got about number 8. And you got about cosine 2t plus 1. The integral of cosine 2t, you got about 1 over 2 sine 2t. The integral of number 1, you got about t. About t, we need to change back for s. So you got about t equal to r tan of s over the square root of number 2. So we put this one in here. And here. Now we need to compile the answer. And we put this one in here. And this one in here. And we put about c is about constant. That's the end. Thank you for watching.